Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered where we truly come from? It's a question that has echoed through the ages, pondered by philosophers, scientists, and dreamers alike. We walk this earth as if our story began and ends here. But what if our origins are far more cosmic than we imagine? Are we truly children of Earth alone, or is our lineage grander and stranger than we've ever dared to believe? The search for who we are is perhaps humanity's most fundamental quest. This question shapes our understanding of everything, our planet, each other, and the universe itself. If our story began among the stars, our perspective must change. We become part of a much larger cosmic family, galactic travelers who have forgotten our way home. So, where do we come from? Is the answer buried in ancient bones, or written in the light of distant galaxies? Our journey begins with the story science tells us, a story of incredible chance and profound connection. Science takes us back billions of years to a young, volatile Earth, an unrecognizable world of noxious gases, chemical oceans, and erupting volcanoes. In this hostile environment, something extraordinary happened. The building blocks of life formed. Energized by lightning, volcanic heat, and solar radiation, simple chemicals combined into complex molecules. Over immense time, these molecules organized into the first self-replicating cells. Life had begun. From that miraculous spark, an unbroken chain of life stretches across 4 billion years leading to us. Evolution connects all life on Earth into one vast family tree. We are made of the same stuff as the stars, forged in the chaos of our planet's early days. This narrative grounds us, showing we are children of Earth, our bodies composed of its elements. Yet, for all its power, this story doesn't silence every question. Some wonder if a crucial piece of the puzzle is still missing. What if the spark of life didn't originate here at all? Enter Panspermia, the idea that life spreads across the universe, seeding worlds like Earth. Our solar system is a dynamic place, with asteroid and comet impacts flinging rocks into space. Microbes could hitch a ride inside these rocks, surviving the journey through the void. If such life-bearing rocks landed on early Earth, they could awaken, multiply, and evolve, kickstarting our entire biological history. In this scenario, all life on Earth, including us, would be descended from extraterrestrial ancestors. This idea suggests life is a fundamental property of the cosmos, not a fluke. The search for our origins becomes inseparable from the search for life beyond Earth. If panspermia is true, finding even a microbe on Mars would be like discovering a long-lost relative. When we imagine life from other worlds, what do we see? Decades of science fiction have shaped our visions of aliens, sometimes wise, sometimes terrifying, always mysterious. These images reflect our hopes and fears, benevolent saviors, or hostile invaders. We often picture aliens as more evolved versions of ourselves, intelligent, technologically advanced, and capable of feats we can only dream of. But are these just projections of our own psyche? The aliens we imagine are often remarkably humanoid, perhaps because we see our own form as a logical outcome of evolution. Our search for aliens is often a search for ourselves, our potential, our anxieties, our dreams. The face of the other is, in many ways, a mirror. Perhaps our imagination is limited, or perhaps we intuitively sense that intelligence, wherever it arises, might not be so different after all. Why do we search the cosmos for life? Because curiosity is woven into our nature. The question, are we alone, is perhaps the biggest of them all. The discovery of another intelligence would forever change our perception of our place in the universe. Even finding simple life elsewhere would revolutionize biology, giving us a second data point for what life can be. It would show us which aspects of life are universal and which are unique to Earth. Ultimately, the search for aliens is a search for meaning, a quest for connection in the vastness. Every time we reach out into the unknown, we affirm our hope that there is more to discover. The act of searching itself enriches our understanding of who and what we are. So, are we the aliens we seek? Strip away the science fiction and we find a species of remarkable intelligence and curiosity. We've built civilizations, created art, and begun exploring the cosmos. The qualities we search for in alien life, intelligence, technology, survival, are the very qualities we possess. Perhaps we are looking for a reflection of ourselves or our own potential. If panspermia is true, our biology is extraterrestrial in origin. We are the descendants of cosmic travelers. Every time we look in the mirror, we see the face of an alien. The search for life beyond Earth is a journey of self-discovery, Every question we ask about alien life is also a question about ourselves. In the cosmic reflection, we may finally begin to understand who we truly are. Visual Earth floating serenely against the vast canvas of space, the blue and green orb gradually dissolving into darkness. Soft, shimmering particles drift across the screen, suggesting the passage of cosmic time. So, are we the aliens we've been searching for? Maybe we're not alone because we were never native. Our story is woven into the fabric of the universe, a tale that began in ancient stardust and continues every time we look up at the night sky. This is MindWarp Science. Thank you for watching. If this video sparked a new idea in you, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, where do you think we come from? And remember, sometimes, the strangest place to find aliens is in the mirror. Visual, the text overlay appears, echoing the final words. The music lingers, leaving viewers with a sense of wonder and possibility.